All right, so we've been getting you pictures throughout the day of farm bill protests taking place all over the country. Many political parties are protesting, but it is this picture that we got you early this morning from India Gate, where now we learn members from the Punjab Youth Congress got a tractor, put it down, dumped it in the middle of India Gate, in the heart of Delhi, and set it on fire. And they are extremely proud of it. The point is, a tractor is a symbol for a farmer. Why has the Congress party from Punjab burnt that very symbol? To what extent will we go in registering our protest? And is this justified? And if it is, what next? I want to welcome Mr. Barinder Dhillon. He's the president of the Punjab Youth Congress. Mr. Dhillon, can you kindly explain, first of all, are you proud of what this has happened? Are you proud of what has happened?
Do you think I will be proud of the issue in the farmers, what is happening in Punjab? Do you think we will be doing this out of some pride or some, we are getting some happiness out of it? It is sheer murder of farmers' rights which has brought this situation to at this point of time. We tried on 20th to march towards with hundreds and thousands of tractors to Delhi. Then we tried again on the 22nd, we were arrested. The government is not ready to hear the voice of the farmers. Not once, not twice, 25th of September, the whole Punjab was brought to a standstill. There was all trains were stopped, business was stopped, and still the government is, the alliance partners have quit. But still the government is not ready to talk to the farmers. Just do you think this is some sort of, we are getting some sort of player out of this?
My question was different, Mr. Dhillon.
The only way.
My question was, to what extent are you going to go? Right now you have burnt down a symbol which is a prized possession for a farmer. I don't think I need to tell you this. But to what extent are you willing to go, for the sake of your politics, to go for this photo op? I mean, what else will this be called?
No, it's
in
not
the middle of India Gate, you're burning a tractor down.
It's not my politics. Yes. So, are you going to dilute this to a tractor issue? Are you going to dilute this farmer ordinance into just one
absolutely
tractor burning issue?
Absolutely not. Discuss the merits of the bill. If you are unhappy with the bill, one moment, Mr. Dhillon, before you take that.
Yes.
Before you take that line, Mr. Dhillon, I want to stop you and tell you that only and only NDTV, only on this channel, have we debated ad nauseum.
Yes, I agree.
The length and breadth of the protest as far as these ordinances and law are concerned.
It's not about
these
NDTV.
Pictures are repulsive.
It's not about NDTV, it's not about Youth Congress.
Mr. Dhillon, these pictures are repulsive. You have burnt down, you have set on fire a symbol, a farmer's prized possession.
It is a symbolic
for the sake
protest.
of your politics.
Understand one issue. It's not about one tractor. It's about farmer ordinance. The message.
Then why did you get that tractor?
When the government is deaf.
If this was not an attempt at cheap publicity, why did you get that tractor?
We burnt this tractor on 20th also. We got it from our own funds.
That's not the point.
We want to show the Modi government that that is not for you and me to decide. You might not agree with our methodology.
Who will decide?
But the message.
To what extent will you go? Tell me. Next you will say burning of crops is also justified.
We have our own way of protest. I can't tell you how you are going to ask me questions. You can't tell me how I am going to protest.
No, of course I will. Say, Mr. Dhillon, I've invited you to ask you this question. How can a person who is fighting for the sake of the farmers burn the very symbol? Burn the very symbol of agriculture in this country.
The tractor, the agriculture has been burned by Narendra Modi ji. This picture signifies that. When there is India Gate and there is a Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and slogan which is the foundation of this country.
So am I to assume that Mr. Dhillon right now is admitting on national television that this was symbolism? This was just a token protest, perhaps for publicity, so that everybody takes notice.
Then you have your own opinion. When the media, I am not pointing out to NDTV, when the media is busy with the Sushant case and Kangana case, we have to make people hear our
That's a
concerns.
position, Mr.
How
Dhillon,
do
that
we
at
protest?
least you cannot. That's a position you cannot take on our channel, because you want to discuss the merits of this bill or the demerits of this bill. Be my guest. You want to burn a tractor down for some cheap publicity.
Let's discuss that.
This is not on.
Why
Mr.
are
Dhillon,
we discussing about one tractor burning issue?
because
Why are we
this is
discussing
repulsive.
You are discussing it. I don't want to discuss it.
No, but
So I
you
don't
were the
want
one
to
who brought that
discuss it.
tractor in the first place.
So-
Did I get it?
So yes,
You got it
We brought it
surreptitiously
we have
in the
tried to
middle of
bring
the
it many
night.
Times. So what? How is that?
Now you're saying that I will
unconstitutional or
not
how is that
discuss
unlawful?
tractor. Why?
If I am burning,
Why did you get that tractor then?
No. Why you? Because we are not only concerned about NDTV. We are concerned about a larger picture. The farmers are burning in Punjab. The roads are jam packed. A larger issue is being there. Let's not dilute it to one tractor burning issue.
No, I'm not
There is a
diluting.
larger
You have
issue at
diluted.
concern. No,
The
you
tractor has
can't-
been burnt
Sanketji,
by
you
Mr.
can't tell me
Barinder
how I
Dhillon's
protest.
organization.
It is in
It
my
has not
domain
been
and
burnt
right
by
to
anyone
protest.
else.
You don't like that protest, that is your issue.
It's not about
You
not
don't like
liking.
that
It's
protest,
about
that
to what
is
extent
very
will
much-
you go.
So please, you cannot decide how Youth Congress protests.
Okay, then tell me
It
what
is within
next?
our
What will you
domain.
do next?
That-
What will you, now government is not
we
listening,
are
what will you
going
do
to bring
next?
this-
What will you burn down
so
next?
government, the message was, let's not burn down Punjab. Let's bring farmers to Rajpath. Let's bring farmers to Rashtrapati Bhavan. The day the 10,000 farmers are going to sit in the Rashtrapati Bhavan on the India gate, then the government is going to take notice. Because when Punjab burns, the government
Let me
is
ask
not
you
at
this
all
question.
worried.
Let me
The-
ask you
the
this question,
government-
Mr.
the-
Dhillon. Can I tell
No,
you something? The protests that were taking place, and I refuse to believe what the government seems to say, that all of this is politically motivated. There were some farmers who were trying to raise their voice against sections of this law, right? That was acceptable. But by burning this tractor, has Mr. Dhillon's organization not trivialized their fight? You have trivialized the very important issue that some people are raising. Have you not trivialized
You
it?
have to understand
Down to
one
getting
thing.
an
think
old
so.
tractor,
You
a
are
rickety
falling
old
into a
tractor
trap.
in the middle of Delhi and
You
burning it down for cheap
are-
publicity and also live
you are
streaming it on
falling-
Facebook. If this is not tamasha, Mr. Dhillon, tell me what is.
You are falling into a trap, a narrative set by the parties who want to dilute this
Oh,
ordinance bill
fantastic.
into
So
one
any
tractor
question
burning
asked to
issue.
you is a trap to
Yes,
change the narrative.
We can.
It's
No,
amazing.
no, no.
BJP
Let's discuss
says that
farm bills.
everyone
Why-
who's
why
protesting
are
is
you
misleading.
worried? So
Congress
you
is
want
saying
to
that
discuss-
anyone who's
I am
asking
not the
questions
one
to
who's
Congress
saying-
is falling for a trap.
I am not saying
Everything
at
is a
all.
trap.
I am not saying it into at all. You want to discuss tractor burning or you want to discuss farm ordinance bill? That
I
is
want
for
to
you
discuss
decide.
tractor burning because that
I
is
am
your
ready
claim to
hear
fame.
on this. I am
Mr. Dhillon, you have
am ready to
unfortunately
hear-
reduced your
I am-
fight for
I
the
am ready
farmers
to
by
discuss
trivializing
farm
it to
bills.
burning a tractor. That is your claim to fame.
So it's your
You-
opinion
you have
versus my
come on this
opinion.
channel.
Why are you imposing your opinion on me?
You felt the need to burn this tractor to be heard. I am not going to give you a PR platform. I am
Yes.
sorry. You will not get a public relations platform. Nobody does. Nobody does.
If you
I
want
will
to-
ask you a
if
question
you
on
want
why
to
you
make
did this.
yourself a, if you want to just want to impose things on me and be another Times Now or a
Oh, come on, name calling.
a Republic
Typical,
TV, you are
typical
free to
behavior.
work.
Mr.
You be
Dhillon,
abusing
this
it.
is
Yes,
extremely
I'm
bad
calling names.
behavior.
I want to
Simply,
be as frank as you
simply
can
because
be.
you can't ask,
So I-
simply because
so-
you can't answer questions, you have gone into name
Since
calling.
you are not ready to listen, I replied
Tell
to
me,
it in your tweets also.
is
I
this
don't think
not
so
cheap
there's
publicity?
anything more than what I replied to in your tweets. You are giving me publicity. Don't give me publicity. I don't
No,
want
I'm
publicity.
not giving you
Discuss
publicity.
farm
I'm
bills,
asking
don't
you
call me.
questions. Questions that
don't-
you're not being
don't-
able to
so
answer.
Don't ask me farm bills. Ask why Captain
Is
Amarinder
that-
Singh
is that what
why
you
the
did
federal
today?
structure is not being discussed.
Is that what you did
When-
today in the
when
morning from
government
7 to
is-
7:30?
When the government
Farm
is doing
bills.
it in Rajya Sabha, when the government is doing it in Rajya Sabha, when Punjab is burning and when Haryana is burning, all that matters for the TRPs and all this is one tractor burning. Then that's not my issue. Yes, I want
don't
to be
know what
heard.
you're saying.
I want
Mr.
to make
Dhillon,
these
you're not
voices heard.
coherent.
So
You're not coherent.
So you
I
have
mean,
to decide now what you want
Can
to
I
hear
tell
and
you
what
something?
you don't want to hear. If
The
I'm
one
not knowing
thing
your
that
life,
you will
I
not be
don't agree
able
with
to
you.
accuse us of is of sensationalizing any story. It does not happen on NDTV.
I am not
But an
accusing you.
attempt
You
that is
yourself
made
are
to
admitting
trivialize
something.
the issue of farmers is also going to be
For-
called out, Mr. Dhillon.
for 20 minutes if we are going to discuss tractor burning issue. Yes,
Because that's
there
what you
are
have
ways
done.
of protest, and we have our own, in our
Sadly,
own
that's
domain
what
to
you have done.
answer our protest.
That's what you've done. My
So
final
yes,
question
that's
to you,
what we
Mr.
have done.
Dhillon.
And for thankfully, NDTV might not be discussing this farmers bill on today on this tractor issue, but I think so every other channel is definitely discussing the farmer ordinance bill. Whether we are able to put it at
But
10%,
so are we.
20%, yes,
So
but
are
there were
we. You
channels
check.
who asked.
Again, see, these allegations are not going to stick. You can call us whatever. These allegations are not going to stick because we
I
have
am not
carried
calling
each and
you. I
every
respect
report,
your channel
each and
and I
every
have been-
protest
I
of genuine
uttermost-
farmers. I just
See.
feel that this tamasha that was done on Rajpath was uncalled for, was not required, and it was done with the specific intention to seek publicity. Mr. Dhillon.
So is publicity for an issue bad? When the Kanganas and the Sushant Singh Rajputs are getting publicity,
Good,
how will
fantastic.
farmers
So
get
Mr.
publicity?
Dhillon finally admits
How
that
are
he is
we
no
going to-
different
how are we
from
going
people
to
who
get
seek cheap
ordinance
publicity.
issue into public domain? And
Fine.
yes, that's what Youth Congress should be doing it. I don't think so. We have to bring these issues into public domain,
Sure.
whether publicity
Fight
or
for the
whether by
farmers.
protest
Don't
or
trivialize
by
their
by
issue. That is
symbolism.
going to be my only humble appeal, Mr.
No,
Dhillon.
you can't be the only one who is fighting for farmers.
I'm
You
not
don't dilute
claiming
our
to be
fight
the
for
only one.
farmers. You just look at the, we have been arrested twice. We have been stopped at the Ambala border. We have been water canned. We have been charged. We are 5 people have been arrested. So if this is all drama, please, anyone is willing to do it. You have to take some extreme steps to make the government hear.
Okay.
When the government is deaf and dumb and the chambers of power are not ready to listen, we have to make noises and we have to make the right kind of noises.
To
And
what
this is
extent?
a way of
A
making noise.
walkout in parliament and then noise on the streets. To what extent, Mr. Dhillon? I'm just saying today a symbol of the farming sector has been burnt down. Tomorrow, what will you do?
Sanketji, you advise me a noble way of protest. You tell me a protest which we would have not done. This was our last
Non-violent,
step.
that does not
first
involve
organized-
arson. A
yes,
non-violent
listen to it.
protest
Then please
that does
have
not
the-
involve arson.
We organized 234 sit-in dharnas. We organized 234 sit-in dharnas in Punjab. Every block. We organized effigy burnings. We organized tractor rallies. We organized awareness drives. We organized PCC president was going to villages to discuss these issues. And still the government was hell-bent on derailing the process.
That's exactly
and
my point.
steamrolling the bill in Rajya Sabha. So
Exactly
what
my
else
point.
do you think the youth should have done? When Punjab was stopped, halted on 25th, not even a single inch moved.
Mr.
We
Dhillon,
have to
my
bring the
only
protest to Delhi.
worry over
we
here
have to
is
motivate people.
the only worry is to what end. Today it's a tractor. Tomorrow, what are you going to burn? What next?
You can't have means for everything. The end is we are not in the government. We can only fight on streets. We can find innovative ways. You might not agree with our methodology, but we have
You're
to
calling
bring these
burning of a
attention. We have
tractor
to motivate
an innovative
people
way?
to fight. So that is what I'm saying now. Sanketji, you are a very learned journalist. You might not like this way, but we as street fighters who are fighting it on the street, we find this as a way. When Bhagat Singh dropped a bomb in the assembly, that many people did not agree to that. Many people did not find that way right.
So you're
but we
comparing
have
yourself
to
to
realize
Bhagat
that
Singh.
this was the only way we could have made this deaf and dumb government here. Yes, we violated 144, we violated certain sections, and we are ready to pay the price for that.
Okay.
That is a very small price in concern
Okay.
to the farmers'
You have-
audience.
you have
have to realize
answered-
this. It is
you
not
have
about, it is
attempted
not
to
about my
answer
fight.
all the
It
questions
is about
that
the
have been
farmers'
posed
fight,
to you.
and we are just one part of the farmers' fight.